All right, guys, I just opened up the Lingdu dash cam. I'm quite surprised that the quality of this thing is actually really thick and strong and not chintzy feeling at all. It does come with a micro SD card included, which is super cool. And it looks like it is a pretty decent size at 64. And it only has one input on it, which is a micro USB-C. So inspecting this carefully, I have a cigarette lighter adapter for my power, which is to a USB. And then I actually have a rear camera, which I was really intrigued by this, which is super cool. I really like the texture on there, even though you're not going to see it. It's got a little lens cover there. And the cable is going to go up, and then it's going to go into this cable, which actually adapts it and splits it. So it looks like this one and this one are going to be split into probably this main cable here to give this thing power. So overall, I give this thing like a super high quality review. I just can't wait to actually install it. I need to pick which car I want to do it in. And yeah, I'm super excited. Super good quality products.